Hello and welcome to this short video on 5 little known facts about exercise. So many of us know why we should exercise. It's great for our health, it's great for our bones. There are many different health benefits. But let's look at some little known facts about exercise that may surprise you. Well, first off, we know that exercise is great for weight management, but it actually goes beyond weight management and fat loss. So with the rise of technology, everyday movement has decreased, especially in the last century. So we're driving cars, taking public transportation. We have loads of different forms of technology that have made us more sedentary. But folks, we need exercise to improve our health and remain healthy. It is absolutely imperative. And good nutrition is ultimately only half the battle. So physical activity and movement is just as important as a healthy diet. Now let's look at some little or lesser known facts about the benefits of exercise, giving us more reasons to get up, get out there, and get moving. So exercise changes the brain in ways that protect memory and thinking skills. Regular aerobic exercise has been found to increase the size of our hippocampus, which is really interesting. And the hippocampus is the part of the brain that's involved with memory and learning. So we know that regular exercise has the ability to reduce insulin resistance and inflammation around the body. But now, researchers have found that it stimulates the release of growth factors. So these are chemicals in the brain that affect the health of brain cells, the growth of new blood vessels in the brain, and even the abundance and survival of new brain cells. So one more added benefit of exercise. What else? Well, when we exercise, we can lose body fat, and fat leaves your body via your breath. So it's actually released as carbon dioxide when we exhale. I know, hard to believe, but don't think that you can just breathe your way out of your weight. It's not that simple, folks. You do still have to create the caloric deficit that leads to fat loss in order to exhale it away. But the saying that the expression that sweat is your fat crying does hold a little bit of truth. So the remainder of the fat not turned into carbon dioxide is released through bodily fluids like sweat, tears, and even urine. The more you improve on your fitness, the lower your resting heart rate. And your resting heart rate is simply how many beats per minute your heart beats at complete rest. So as you improve your cardiovascular health, your heart doesn't have to work as hard. So your resting heart rate becomes lower and lower as your heart becomes healthier and healthier. So it is possible to get your resting heart rate under 60 beats per minute, which would be considered pretty healthy. So it's also been found that children who exercise have better self-esteem. So exercise aids in the development of important interpersonal skills. And this is especially true for participation in team sports. So it's been found as well that not only do their interpersonal skills improve, but that regular exercise in kids has been shown to boost their self-esteem and overall give them a better self-image. And our last interesting fact about exercise is going to be about the muscles. So if you've been doing the same kind of exercise for 2 to 3 months and you've reached a plateau, well, this is no coincidence. The problem may actually be that you're performing the same exercise routine over and over. And believe it or not, your muscles have memory cells. So your muscles become more efficient at whatever it is you're doing consistently. When it's no longer a struggle, you eventually plateau. So to increase your calorie burn and get the full exercise benefits, you do need to switch up your exercise routine and make it challenging. For example, doing an aerobic exercise some days and doing anaerobic exercises like weight training or sprints on other days. So walking, going for a jog, a leisurely swim, they're all fantastic forms of exercise, but do be aware that your body adapts and you do have to switch it up. So that concludes this short video on 5 little known facts about exercise. Thank you for watching.